5 modern English slangs you must know in 2025. Riz.
Riz. Short for charisma.
Refers to someone's ability to attract or charm others.
He's got so much riz.
Everyone loves talking to him.
Riz.
Riz. Delulu.
Delulu. Short for delusional.
Used humorously when someone has unrealistic expectations.
Delulu.
Delulu. She thinks she'll marry a celebrity.
She must be Delulu.
Slaps.
Slaps.
Used to describe something really good or enjoyable.
Slaps.
Slaps.
This song slaps.
I can't stop listening to it.
Slaps.
No cap.
No cap. Simply means no lie or I'm being serious.
No cap.
No cap.
This is the best burger I've ever had. No cap.
Absolutely. No cap.
Simp.
Simp.
Someone who does way too much for someone they like.
Simp.
Simp.
He bought her 10 gifts on their first date.
Such a simp.
So, which one is your favorite? Let me know in the comments.